Booty in the jacuzzi! Hey! Ow, 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 ow! So it's like 7 o'clock in the morning. We just got to Puerto Rico. I'm still on the boat and I'm headed to my excursion. I'm like 5 minutes late to meet them. But I'm going horseback riding with Jax. I don't even know where Jax is, but we went horseback riding. We finally made it outside. Made it just on time. We was literally about to get left.
Stayed up too late last night.
Yeah.
We're gonna go there. The ride is gonna be 40 minutes, 45 minutes. In some area there's no traffic light, so let's see how is that, okay? You ready to have fun? Yeah. Let's do that. Looks nice. 3 months ago everything was brown. Now it's green. So have fun, okay?
Welcome to Caravali Rainforest Park. Once we start getting down, we're going to be showing you where's the restrooms and registration area, and obviously you're going to have more fun this year on the horseback riding. So start coming down.
Alright, so we just made it to the horseback riding. That bus ride was long and it was cold on the bus. Yeah. Yeah, it smells like horses for sure. But we finally made it here. I'm excited and scared at the same time.
It'll be fun.
Good morning, ladies.
Hello.
Welcome to Puerto Rico. My name is Alejandro.
Hello.
This is your release in your waiver. You have time to read it. Bags or backpacks, you can take them with you, or you can leave them here, check them in, and we'll send them down to the river for you, okay?
First in, happy holidays. Welcome to Caravali Rainforest Park. My name is Eduardo. I'm going to be one of your tour guides. But first, we're going to be giving you some brief lessons on how to manage and control your horses.
I put in the horseshoes on. And I keep using the bathroom everywhere.
Lots of loads over there too. Watch where you step.
Finally on the horse. This is Coco. Oh my gosh, vlogging on a horse, you guys, is not easy. It's really pretty though. I feel like Coco's trying to catch up with everybody because, everyone's horse just started running. Whoa.
Hey.
Oh, Coco, what you doing?
Right there, that's the rainforest El Yunque. Has 28,000 acres of land over there that are protected by the U.S. Forestry Service.
I feel these bugs. My horse gets mad every time he's in the back and starts running up to the front of all the other horses. So we're still touring. We're on our way to the lake and Coco's holding me down, you know? Me and Coco. Just got here. It's beautiful. You didn't even get in the camera. We made it to the lake. He was telling us about the damage. A lot of the branches fell because of the hurricane. So like here. But it's still really pretty out here. And they got some power back today, so that's good. This is one of the horses. Hi. I don't know. So pretty. So we just finished looking at the river and we're getting back on our horses so we can head back to the boat. We're continuing the tour.
Remove the top for me, I will be with you right away. One and one, my dears.
Thank you. Leaving now. Bye, Puerto Rico. So, you annoying? Okay, we've been back from Puerto Rico for hours, but now we're in the jacuzzi. We in the hot. Oh, booty in the jacuzzi. Booty in the jacuzzi. Hey, ow, 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 ow.
No one don't let me love you.
What a wicked way to treat the girl that loves you.
Oh, love, they don't love you like I love you. They don't love you like I love you. I have to love the bed. Big wheels keep on turning. Proud Mary keep on burning. We're rolling, rolling, rolling on the river.
We're at our formal dinner, and we just happen to be matching, like.
And I just happen to be flyer than both of them. Just thought I'd let you know that. I'm older than both. Ciao.
She said ciao. But yeah, like we're matching, we're roommates, they're matching.
It's so crazy.
They're roommates.
Look, they're roommates, right? They match.
Not planned. And there's another set.
Keisha and Tammy roommates.
Keisha and
They
Tammy
match.
are roommates too, and they're matching.
Not planned.
Not planned at
How
all.
do you do that?
Like, I don't know. It's just a roomie thing.
Y'all didn't
Like,
get the memo.
it's just a roomie thing, you know? The lighting in here is trash, but did a cut crease and a new lip. Menu for our formal night. I'm really not sure what I want. The shrimp cocktail, and then the lobster tail, and the royal cheesecake. Yeah, thank you.
That's funny.
For everyone? For everyone?
I hope for everyone.
She doubled the lobster for me.
Gave me double.
Thank you.
Let me see, everybody. Yeah, that's double.